Hi, Le Cocktail Connoisseur. This is Nihat Cam. I'm the director of bars at the Tampa edition. Today we're in Punchroom, Tampa. We will talk about a little of little classics, little signatures from our side. To start with, I would like to showcase our riff on one of our classics, Whiskey Sour, which is our signature punch for Punchroom, Tampa here in Florida. To give you a little bit of story why we picked Whiskey Sour, it was actually, we believe that it was one of those cocktails that was inspired by punch style. As we all know, punch is actually a method of making, and traditionally there are some elements that makes punch style, and we focused on those four core elements that makes punch today. And those four fundamentals was actually the liquid base, so that could be anything that we pick actually. In this case, in this cocktail for our signature, we picked Michter's bourbon, and the second element would be the sweetener side. So a little far from the traditional approach, we wanted to elevate the aroma and the flavors. So that's why we decided to use Pedro Jimenez Sherry Nectar. And for the citrus side, we use a little lime to kind of like put the balance together between the sweetness and the citrus side. And lastly, because we're in Florida, we wanted to do a little bit touch of Floridian, a little tropical touch, which came with actually pineapple juice. And to finish it, we wanted to round up the flavors and put it all together in a little bit different structure. And instead of traditional approach, we did foaming bitters, and we topped up the entire cocktail with dehydrated lime. So I'm going to showcase that one for you today. To start with, we will have our pineapple juice. This will represent us in a way, in Floridian way actually. So this will be 1 ounce of pineapple juice. It will be 0.75 lime juice. For sweetener side, we will use Pedro Jimenez, which I truly think that gives a lot of depth and aroma to the entire cocktail. And we have our bourbon selection, Michter's, as our liquor base that makes punch one of those elements. And lastly, we have our foaming bitters, about 4 dashes. And this cocktail will be double shake and fine strain. For the presentation purposes, we decided to use something more elevated, and that will be our actually spear ice. So we just shaped it a little bit different and cut it. And to avoid the ice chips, we double strain, fine strain the cocktail. To finish it off, we did a little dehydrated lime on top, as we used lime inside, and this will be our signature punch, our take on the Whiskey Sour. Enjoy.